This relay is the key to starting a 7.3 in the winter. If it fails, you'll be left with a truck that won't start, at least in the cold. So today, I'm going to show you how to diagnose if a relay is bad, along with how to replace it. To diagnose it, we'll be using a multimeter set to DC voltage. I don't recommend using a test light for this, as we need to see the exact voltage at each point. The glove plug system is fairly simple. It all starts with the batteries. Check the voltage on each side. A fully charged battery will be around 12.6 volts, so both of these are actually low, but not enough to stop the truck from starting. So let's look at the relay. It has two big posts and two small ones. With the key off, we should see source voltage at this large post. 12.5 is good. This footage is also from a different day, so the battery had some time to charge. Now for the other post. It only sees power with the key turned to the on position. Testing this post confirms that the relay is bad. 0.6 volts is way too low. This is also why I don't recommend using a test light. The test light would show power here, which is true, but it's not enough for the system to work properly. Before removing the leads, we'll have to disconnect both of the batteries. Now is also a good time to snap a picture of where each wire goes. If not, you can always refer back to this video. With the batteries disconnected, we can start removing each of the leads. The two large posts are 1/2 inch, and the smaller ones are 3/8. Lastly, there's two nuts holding the relay onto the bracket. I believe that both of these are 10mm. With that removed, the new relay can be installed. It's the same process as before. Just make sure every wire goes back to its original post. Now with the key on, we should have matching voltages on both of the posts. That's close enough. Let's see if it starts. That's that. This was the first start after the install. However, I did want to see how it would do in colder temperatures. And it did just fine. So that's how you replace the glove plug relay on a 7.3. If you're interested in seeing more OBS repairs, you can check out this video right here.